Good day, everybody. Welcome to the my new YouTube channel. Have fun and learn with JP Dutta. It's your truly JP Dutta. In this channel, we will discuss mathematics as well as physics, and we'll start right from the beginning, like class 7, 8 stuff, then go on. And mind you, I will handle all types of questions and theoretical parts which comes under the syllabuses of ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE as well as IB boards. So students, nothing to be worried. And see, there are tons and tons of videos on what I'm going to try today. We'll have today triangles, but tons and tons of videos. But what I thought is that let's make a difference. Like we'll have theory and then solve some problems which is related to the theory, so that I want the conceptual part to be understood properly. Correct? So today let's start with a very fundamental theorem in triangles, which you say that the angle sum property, meaning thereby the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That is okay, known. How do you prove it? Let's see, right? Have a look. See, we have a straight line like this. Correct? Maybe bad, but it's okay, right? And then we have got another straight line which are parallel. Right? Now, let me be very clear about it, that before understanding, let us know the parts which will be required as far as lines and angles are concerned. See, let's have a look. Suppose we go to two straight lines like this, and we have a transverse like this. This is called the alternate angle. This is also one is interior, exterior alternate angles. Meaning thereby, if this is angle 1 and if this is angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Understood? Correct? Now, also we know that if you have a straight line and you have a line like this is total is 180 degrees. Right? Now when you have a line like this, so this angle and this angle, you call, let's say, A and B, you call them linear pair. Meaning thereby, this angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degrees. Right? Now, there is a problem. Suppose, see we have a line and we have three lines like this. So we call this angles line on a straight line. So all these angles A, B, C, D will add up to 180 degrees. Now why all this? See, have a look. So this is a straight line and they are parallel. So we draw a transverse. Correct? Now we draw another transverse like this. Right? So we have a triangle. See, now this is a triangle. This we've got a triangle. Now let us call this angle as P, this angle as Q, and this angle as R. Correct? Now, as we have learned here that alternate angles are equal, meaning thereby if you call this angle X and this angle Y, then by the property of parallel, say angle P is equal to angle X. Am I correct? And also you can write angle Y is equal to angle R. Correct? Now, since angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, and we say X is equal to P, so in place of P we can write X. Correct? In place of Q, both this is available in both in the triangle, so this remains Q plus R we said is equal to Y. There, see, angle R. So angle R add up to 180 degree. So now you see angle X, angle Q, angle Y, they add up to 180 degree. So in a triangle, the interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Is it understood? Any questions, please? In the question. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you. See, if you like the video, but please subscribe, share, and click on the bell icon so that maybe you get good videos from me and you get the notification. That's fine, right? Okay. Now this is what I told you about some angle sum property of triangles. Now there is one more property that we talk about as far as triangles are concerned. That is exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So can you have a look at it, right? So I was talking about exterior angle property of triangles. Let's have a look. See, we already proved we have a line like this, a parallel line like this, and then we get a triangle like this, right? Okay. Now exterior angle is this angle, correct? Now we have said this angle is equal to P, this angle is equal to Q, and this angle is equal to R. Understood? Now see, by the theory of again alternate angle, this angle should be equal to whole of this angle. Am I clear? Am I clear? This angle should be whole of this angle, which is angle, if we call it angle Z. So angle Z will be equal to angle P plus angle Q, right? Now we have already proved that angle P is equal to this angle. Okay? So now we can say this is the exterior angle. So this sum you see from here to here, P plus Q, this, have you got it? Angle Z is equal to the total of this angle, right? So this angle is equal to this angle, X. So Q and X are opposite interior angles. So we can write angle Z is equal to angle Q plus angle X. That is why we call the exterior angle property of triangles. Clear? If you have any doubts you've got in your mind, think you can put it in the comment box. Oh, by the way, this reminds me, if you students want to have a detailed video, I think I'm planning to make one as a refresher course on lines and angles strictly. Theory of parallel lines, how transverse works, and what are the theoretical parts associated with it. Will be video coming up very soon, right? So, remaining on this, let us see some problems, correct? Give you the reference. See, we've got a line like this, then we've got a line like this, then this is another triangle we have got. Now we say that this line is parallel to this line, correct? Understood? And this is connected. Although the drawing doesn't show that, it is said that this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Now let us name it, right? So if we name it A, B, C and D, and what is given is this angle. This angle is given to be how much? 140 degrees. 140 degrees. Right? Now we have to find out this angle. What is the value of this angle? Say this is X. Right? Okay. So what I call your strategy, or how will you get the value of X? So you must find out first, see, since this is 140 degree and this is a line which is a straight line, we can find out this angle, right? Because this is a straight line and 180 degree. So this will be, this angle will be 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. Correct? So this is 40 degree. Now if you remember correctly, in a triangle, sides opposite to equal angles are equal, and the opposite is also true. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, this angle will be equal to this angle, since these two sides are equal. Right? Now we said this is x and this is x. Okay? So by applying angle sum property, we can write 40 plus 2x is equal to 180. And that gives you 2x is equal to 140. My subtraction is correct, I believe. Okay. And x is equal to 70 degree. So we get this also 70 degree and this also 70 degree. Now this is a transverse. So we can say this angle is also 70 degree. The moment you get this angle is also got, because these sides are equal. So this is also 70 degree. Now we got x. How? In triangle ADC, we have 70 plus x plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Right. So we get x is equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. There you get it. So x is equal to 40 degree. Is it clear? Right? So we have applied the angle sum property to get the value of x, and thereby use the property of parallel lines also in order to get this value. This and this. Agreed? So one more sum? Okay, fine. Now this sum says ABC is a triangle, BC is extended to D, and AC extended to E. It is also said that this line is parallel to this line. Correct? Now we have to find out the value of C, x, and this is given that this is equal to twice x. Now another property of parallel lines. See, have a look. Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be a 180 degree. They are called allied angles. Allied angles. Right? We'll use that part here. So if this is 2x, they together will add up to 180 degree. Correct? Now see, if this is x, this is also x. Vertically opposite. So angle ACB is equal to angle ECB because vertically opposite angles. Correct? Understood? So what do we get? If we add up here, so 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Straight away you get the value of x. 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 3. Is that 60 degree? Am I correct? Right. 60 degree. So this we get x is equal to 60 degree. This we get is equal to 120 degree. This is 60 degree. Now this 60, so x minus 10 is equal to 60 minus 10 is equal to 50 degree. Is that clear? Hope I'm clear. Right? I think we can do one more sum. Right? In this problem, ABC is a triangle, AD is a line, AD is a line parallel to BC. AD is a line parallel to BC. And this BD bisects angle B. So what we have? AD parallel to BC, BD bisects angle B. Correct? These two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Given, all these are given. We will find out the value of x is equal to what. Pause the video and write out, right? Pause the video and write out. Let's have a look. No, fine, let's do it. See, since this is a parallel line, this angle is equal to this angle. So this is also x. Understood? Now since these sides are equal, this is also, these two angles are also. So we have angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, because these are angles opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Correct? That's why they are equal. So that means this is 60 degree. So if this whole angle is y, this angle is also y. So we get 60 plus 2y is equal to 180. So 2y is equal to 120. Y is equal to 60 degree. So we get this 60 degree. And this whole angle is 60 degree. Now it is said that BD, this line, bisects this angle. So therefore, half angle B is equal to 60 by 2, 30 degree. Right? Correct? So therefore, this angle is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, this angle is also equal to 30 degree. Am I clear? Okay, fine. So let's top it up with today. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, give a thumbs down or a thumbs up, and click the bell icon so that maybe you like the video, you know that I am also uploading. Maybe next video coming up is tomorrow. That will be also on track. Thank you.